Are you tired of your AI videos looking, well, like everyone else's? You type in a prompt, cross your fingers, and get something that's okay, but never exactly what you imagined. You want a dynamic camera angle, a specific lighting mood, or maybe even to integrate your unique product. But all you get is generic, flat, and honestly, a bit boring AI generations. What if I told you there's a secret weapon to go from vague concepts to visually perfect, professional-grade AI videos? A method that gives you granular, pixel-perfect control over every single element in your Google Veo 3 creations. Stop wasting time on basic prompts. It's time to unlock the power of JSON prompting. This isn't just about better videos, it's about getting precisely what you envision. And in this guide, I'll show you how. You might be thinking, my basic text prompts already create decent AI videos, so why bother with JSON? Well, here's the crucial difference. When you type a simple phrase into Google Veo 3, like a cat playing, Veo does its best, but it's making a lot of assumptions. The result? Often good, but rarely exactly what you envisioned for a professional project or an ad campaign. It lacks the structured control you need. This is where JSON prompting becomes your secret weapon. Imagine having a detailed blueprint for your video. Instead of just saying cat playing, you can specify the exact style, the type of camera movement, say a slow dolly zoom, the perfect cinematic lighting, even subtle elements in the background, or the precise motion of the cat. You're not just guiding the AI, you're programming its creative output with unparalleled precision. This level of prompt engineering is what transforms generic AI generations into stunning, high-quality, and commercially viable content. It's the difference between a decent stock clip and a tailor-made, perfectly aligned AI ad that truly captures your brand's unique vision. With JSON, you unlock the ability to get exactly what you imagine. All right, today we're exploring how to access and use Google Veo 3, their flagship model for AI video generation. First, we'll search for Google Veo 3 and navigate to the official DeepMind model page. On this page, you are presented with two distinct pathways, Try in Gemini and Try in Flow. Let's open Gemini first. This takes you to the standard chat interface, the most direct way to generate video using simple natural language prompts. Now, if you're looking for more structured control, let's go back and explore the second option, Flow. Flow is a more advanced, dedicated workspace. After starting a new project, you enter the Scene Builder interface. Here is the game changer, a technique called JSON prompting. Instead of a simple sentence, this allows you to feed Google Veo 3 a highly structured set of commands. Notice the detailed fields, a specific description, a cinematic style, precise camera instructions like a slow dolly zoom in, and even specific lighting setups. This method is how you achieve truly cinematic control with Google Veo 3.
All right, it's time to pull back the curtain and deconstruct the ultimate Google Veo 3 JSON blueprint. This is where you gain true structured control and elevate your AI video generation. Think of JSON prompting as giving you surgical precision over your AI videos, far beyond basic text prompts. First up, the description. This is your core idea, the subject of your scene. It's the equivalent of your primary text prompt, but within a structured environment. Next, we have style. This defines the aesthetic and mood of your video. Are we talking hyper-realistic, animated, cinematic, abstract? This is where you dial in the visual language that makes your professional adverts or short films truly unique. Then comes camera. This is crucial for capturing that perfect shot. You can specify everything from wide angle to close-up, panning, zooming, tracking shots. It's your virtual cinematographer. Lighting dictates the atmosphere. Think dramatic shadows,
bright sunlit scenes, soft studio glow, the right lighting can transform a simple scene into something truly impactful. We then have elements. This is where you introduce specific objects, characters, or details that aren't naturally occurring from your main description. Imagine integrating a specific product into your AI ads. This is where you specify it. Motion is about the dynamics within your scene, separate from camera movement. Are characters walking, cars driving, leaves rustling? This adds life to your AI generations. And finally, ending. This allows you to define the final frame or the conclusion of your clip, providing a sense of completion, especially important for seamless transitions or precise storytelling in your commercials. Mastering these elements gives you unparalleled power over Google Veo 3, turning it into a precise AI tool for your creative vision. This is the blueprint you need. All right, let's dive into our first live demo. We're going to take a simple prompt and transform its output using the power of JSON prompting in Google Veo 3. First, let's start with a basic text prompt. A cat sitting on a couch. As you can see, it's decent, but it's a generic AI video. No specific mood, no particular shot, just a cat on a couch. Now let's introduce JSON. Here's how we begin structuring our prompt. We'll start with the description key. Next, let's add some style to make it truly cinematic. Think warm, inviting, slightly whimsical, and macro photography. And for camera control, let's go for a slow, subtle push-in. Remember, granular control is key for a truly cinematic AI generation. Finally, lighting can drastically change the mood. Let's add golden hour, dappled sunlight. Now, we take this complete JSON prompt, paste it into Google Veo 3, and hit generate. Look at the difference. From a basic AI generation to a rich, warm, and truly cinematic scene. This is the power of adding structured control. Notice how the light feels intentional. The camera movement adds depth, and the cat's description comes to life with far more detail. This is what getting exactly what you imagine looks like, moving beyond basic AI videos to truly professional adverts quality. Now, let's unlock the true power of Google Veo 3 with advanced JSON prompting, moving beyond simple descriptions to achieve structured control and precisely matching creative visions. This is where you transform your AI video generation into a blueprint for professional adverts. First, let's tackle a common problem, integrating specific brand elements or products that don't even have existing images. This is where the elements parameter comes in. Notice how we can describe a specific niche product, maybe a vintage deep-sea diving helmet with brass accents, and Veo will do its best to generate it. This is a game changer for digital products or service-based businesses without a visual catalog. Now, let's look at motion. This parameter gives you granular control over the camera, allowing you to create truly cinematic results, just like a Hollywood director. We can specify dolly in, pan left, crane shot, ensuring your AI ads have the exact feel and flow you imagine. See how adding dolly in transforms the shot, giving it a professional, dynamic feel? By combining these advanced parameters, you gain unprecedented control. You can integrate your unique brand identity and choreograph the camera, ensuring your AI video generation is not just good, but visually perfect. All right, you've got the blueprint down, but even with the best structured control, you might hit a few bumps. Let's tackle common pitfalls and give you some pro tips to ensure your Google Veo 3 creations are consistently excellent. First, JSON syntax is king. One misplaced comma, a forgotten bracket, or a typo in a key can completely break your workflow. If your AI tool isn't generating what you expect or gives an error, always double-check your syntax meticulously. Next, specificity in your elements and descriptions is paramount. Instead of just a dog, try a golden retriever puppy playing with a red ball in a sunlit park. The more detailed your elements and description fields are, the closer your AI video generation will get to your precise vision. Remember, the AI can only interpret what you give it. Another common issue is conflicting or vague parameters. Ensure your style, camera, lighting, and motion parameters work in harmony. If you ask for a gritty film noir style, but then specify bright, high-key lighting, the AI will struggle, leading to unpredictable results. Think of your JSON prompt as a coherent director's brief for a cinematic scene. Finally, a crucial pro tip: iterate and test. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Make small adjustments to your keywords, description, or other parameters, generate, review, and refine. This iterative process is how you master prompt engineering and transform basic AI videos into truly professional adverts or stunning artistic pieces. This approach makes applying AI video generation to even niche digital products or service-based businesses entirely feasible, saving you time and money on ineffective methods. You've just gained the power of precise, granular control over your AI video generation. This isn't just about making another AI video, it's about truly getting exactly what you imagine. Think beyond basic viral clips. Imagine creating high-value, cinematic, professional adverts and commercials for clients. This mastery of JSON prompting, this blueprint for structured control, is your key to unlocking serious monetization. Whether you're developing a digital product, marketing a service-based business, or pushing the boundaries of artistic expression, the ability to control every aspect of your AI generations means unparalleled quality and opportunity. The future of AI videos isn't just about what they can make, but how perfectly aligned they are with your creative and business goals. To ensure you have all this information ready to go, I've compiled everything into the ultimate JSON prompting for Google Veo 3. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Take these skills, experiment, and transform your vision into reality. This is just the beginning.